If you find it hard to believe that something as simple and inexpensive as baking soda could really clean your home, consider this. Baking soda was used to clean and restore the inner copper walls of the Statue of Liberty during its 1986 restoration. It effectively removed grime without damaging the copper, so think it might work around your home too? Here are some of baking soda's top uses for cleaning. Natural kitchen scrub. Sprinkle baking soda on the surfaces in your kitchen and use a sponge or rag to scrub. You can even add a few drops of lemon, lavender or peppermint essential oil to add a natural fragrance to this dye cleaning product. Pots and pans cleaner. Baking soda can be used to hand wash pots and pans, and it won't hurt these valuables either. Just let them soak in baking soda for 15 to 20 minutes. The grease, grime or food will come right off. Carpet cleaner. Many carpet cleaners include chemicals that can be harmful to your pets or children, so use baking soda to give your carpet a good cleaning and neutralize odors. Sprinkle your carpet with baking soda. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then vacuum. Gentle baby clothes cleanser. Baking soda can be used as a natural cleanser, detergent booster and even a fabric softener. It's the perfect way to clean baby clothes. Just add 1 cup to your load of laundry. Fruit and veggie scrub. Make your own natural scrub by adding a teaspoon of baking soda to water. The pasty mixture is a perfect way to remove bacteria from your fruits and veggies. Silverware cleaner. Create a paste that is 3 parts baking soda and 1 part water. Rub the paste onto your silverware and let it sit in a large tray or bowl. After 15 to 20 minutes, rinse the silverware. Oven cleaner. Don't use harmful chemicals to clean your oven. Instead, just add a teaspoon of baking soda to a damp sponge or rag. This combination will wipe away food and grease easily. Drain cleaner. Mix baking soda and vinegar to create your own drain cleaner. A vinegar and baking soda mixture is a much safer option than the harmful chemicals that are typically used to clear drains. Let the combination bubble for 15 minutes, then rinse with hot water. Just wait until you see how effective baking soda and vinegar cleaning can be. Dishwasher helper. Want to test out if baking soda cleaning your dishes is really a thing? Add baking soda to your regular dishwashing cycle. This will help to eliminate unwanted grease and grime that builds up on your dishes. Fire extinguisher. If you experience a minor grease fire in your kitchen, you can use baking soda to extinguish it. Pouring baking soda on a small pan fire should stifle the flames quickly. Shoe deodorizer. Can't get that unpleasant smell out of your shoes? Shoe deodorize is yet another one of the many common baking soda uses. Sprinkle baking soda inside your shoes to deodorize them. You will see how that foul odor clears up within minutes. Coffee and teapot cleaner. To remove coffee stains and funky tastes from your coffee or teapot, make this quick mixture: 1/4 cup of baking soda with 1 quart of warm water. Rub the mixture on and in your pots. If you are battling tough stains, let it sit for a few hours first and then rinse. Shower curtain cleaner. Get rid of those stains that show up on shower curtains by rubbing baking soda onto them. Add a little water and the grime will be gone shortly. Closet freshener. To freshen your closet, place a box or cup of baking soda inside. Periodically change the baking soda to keep your closet smelling fresh and clean. Wash your car. Ever hear of a baking soda car wash? Because baking soda easily removes grease and dirt, it's the perfect ingredient for the ultimate car cleaning. Create a paste with 1/4 cup of baking soda with 1 cup of warm water. With a sponge or rag, rub the paste onto your car, tires, lights, seats, windows, and then rinse. Or dilute in a gallon of water to remove dirt and grime off your paint as well. Just make sure to thoroughly dissolve, as baking soda is abrasive in its powdered state. Kitty litter deodorizer. There are baking soda uses for pets too. To naturally deodorize your cat box, cover the bottom of the box with baking soda first, and then fill it in with kitty litter as usual. After cleaning out the litter, give the box some extra deodorization by sprinkling baking soda on top.